All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Quick product upgrade. I've got the Harley Davidson Mirrors by RIZOMA. Thanks to Ty for the recommendation. He actually had just commented on my video, and I happened to be at the Harley dealer, and they had a pair. I went outside, I tried it on, and absolutely look awesome. So I'm gonna show you this quick install. Super easy on how I set these up, and see how they look. Super easy. Goes in right through the slot. You got the special washer. It's a 13mm wrench. And these are adjustable right here with an Allen wrench. And you can just bring them down and bring them up. And it's that simple. These pairs look awesome.